We have some excellent news coming out of the crypto space, specifically with the Ripple coin. We've got the banks, financial institutions, and governments of the world embracing the Ripple technology. And as the Ripple protocol continues to enjoy such rumors as being used as the standard for cross-border remittances and the bridge currency of the world, the value proposition of the Ripple coin increases. Welcome back to Make Money Online. If you haven't already, consider hitting that subscribe button and turning on post notifications. We'll be right back after this.
GSX is an unprecedented financial asset that combines the best elements of a traditional investment with the backing of a stablecoin and the use cases of many of the largest decentralized currencies like XRP.
First on the list is Bhutan. Next up is the Southern American country, the Republic of Palau, Brazil, Japan, and the rest of the world. As a bridge currency, XRP will be the standard for these other coins, with rumors about the governments of certain nations such as the Republic of Palau and Japan looking to build a government-backed digital coin, otherwise known as a central bank digital currency or CBDC for short, on the XRP ledger. The elites are aware of XRP's value proposition, so they'd stop at nothing to have it all to themselves. So with Bhutan and the island nation of the Republic of Palau already having a launch date for their respective CBDCs to be built on the XRP ledger, the price of XRP is undoubtedly going to see some significant gains when this all comes into play. Given that the past month has been pretty good for the emerging digital asset class, as cryptocurrencies were seen to register some massive upshoot. Following that trend and given the mindset of a bullish momentum at this time of the season, historical data shows the growing expectation for an enormous price bump in the months leading to the end of 2021. Yet the month of November has been fraught with many setbacks, with Bitcoin withdrawing to its lower low values, dipping below $55,000, altcoins continue to retreat drastically. Over the past couple of days, the bulls have been trying so hard to maintain a balance and ensure that Bitcoin continues in its rally towards the $100,000 mark, which can be seen in the slight increase in Bitcoin over the last 24 hours as the rest of the market seems to be picking up pace, even though at a slow rate.
Take me to church.
Following the recent decline in price, which had XRP crossing below its most significant psychological resistance level of $1, just as the coin was already showing a bearish sign before missing out on the crypto rally last month. Currently trading at 95 cents, and even with a slight increase over the past day, XRP and the rest of the market still reside in a bearish trend. Since the 7th largest crypto registers a more than 13% decline in the last 7 days, as Bitcoin records an almost 7% decrease from its value in the past week. We're heading over to the charts, and if we look at the daily chart for XRP, what are we looking at here? We can see XRP stalling at the 200 simple moving average. Will the 200 simple moving average serve as a solid support one more time before we hit those significant highs as expected? We'll get to find out. In the meantime, we could see the buyer's effort to flip the bearish trend into a bullish one earlier this month, even though November turned out to be a typical bearish month for the asset class. Since XRP was trading above the dollar mark for a few weeks back, the event that saw the Ripple coin declining below that resistance level places XRP right at the 200 SMA, labeled in purple, on the daily chart. A moving average that's long been acting as a strong support zone. Therefore, there is a greater possibility that we could potentially be seeing a bounce back from here. Given a breakout from this moving average opens an avenue into more extraordinary highs, but let's see how the day's candlestick will end up. A result of Bitcoin's price action here and there has made it even more challenging to predict the value of certain assets in the past few months. The periods between September to this very moment have been quite dull, without any decisive speculation as to what direction XRP is headed, considering of course the lawsuit and all. We could see the Ripple CEO affirming that the lawsuit is going in the right direction, even though XRP holders are yet to feel the effect of that, given XRP's growth is a bit stunted as the sentiment remains quite bearish. XRP will eventually be worth $5, $10, $50, $100, $1,000, and even $10,000, as famous analysts and billionaire investors predicted. However, I could easily see XRP between the 3 to 4 digit price value because the Ripple technology is built around establishing a system to move the world's money as quickly as we transfer information these days. Considering the asset class is barely a decade old, yet it's worth over trillions in market share, imagine what happens when the cryptocurrency asset class gets to a total valuation of tens of trillions of dollars. Do you still think XRP will be priced at $1, or are you of the thought that XRP would eventually be extinct right after the XRP lawsuit? Well, if your answer to that is no, then I advise you to take heed and take hold of your future while it's still a lot cheaper by investing with the Ripple asset. But before you get involved, it's best you conduct a little bit of research on the Ripple protocol and its native XRP asset. A little XRP research on that should expose you to the reasons why experts believe the coin would get to a value of 10,000 per token. Just a brief teaser, Ripple, through its distributed ledger technology and the XRP token, offers the fastest and cheapest solution to cross-border settlement of money and value. The uniqueness of the Ripple platform is why the world's central banks and financial corporations are actively and passively involved with the Ripple coin and its ledger technology. These elites know that once the lawsuit eventually settles and Ripple starts to roll out its platform's full functionality, such as the on-demand liquidity feature, through the adoption of the Ripple coin by these banks, the prices will surely hit more tremendous highs. Considering Ripple has long based its fundamental goals on being a monetary trade mediator between conventional fiat currency and emerging cryptocurrency, unlike those other crypto platforms built to rival the very existence of the traditional banking system. Furthermore, that distributed ledger tech upon which the XRP ledger is made is a modification of decentralized technology utilized by most other cryptos out on the market. Hence, XRP uses this tech to support the transfer of tokens representing fiat currencies, cryptocurrencies, or any other unit of value. When all of the money is tied up in the Nostro-Vostro accounts with correspondent banks gets redirected through the blockchain's new and improved financial system, what do you think would happen to the value of XRP, which is set to be used as the bridge currency of the future? First, of course, suppose you still consider the conventional way of moving money across borders as convenient enough for you. In that case, you should never get involved with this coin. But if you do understand that, then you could easily understand the idea behind the speculations for XRP to be valued at hundreds and thousands per token. As pressure continues to build up in the cryptocurrency market, both domestically in the US and globally, regarding regulatory reforms and all, one can only expect that XRP would hit significant highs once we have regulatory clarity, during which XRP would experience upswings and downswings. The price of XRP has been declining over the week as it's continued to develop the corrective momentum from about 2 weeks ago, when the price of the Ripple asset renewed its previous high from back in September, during which it retested the $1.35 resistance margin once again. Unfortunately, that trend of events was eventually translated into a bearish momentum by the weak hands. But to expert investors, and just as we always advise on this channel, always buy in when the prices are in the red and sell out when they're green. That said, rather than mustering and dispelling the hopes of a rapid resumption in the growth of this asset, why not buy in more and wait for the moonshot to 3, 4, or 5 figures for the Ripple coin? Thank you for watching today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and turn on bell notifications. We also have a free Discord group where we share daily signals, and now you can also support us on Patreon. We have a special offer for our first 100 members, only $9.99 for our VIP Discord channels, where we share much more in-depth analysis and even one-on-one sessions. And make sure you check out the GSX competition for your chance to win big. Links are below, and if you have any questions, drop us a comment. And we'll see you next time.
That's how it goes. Hollywood Carson.